Today I have got yet another recipe which is called egg roll on a maida based flour, and here this is my most favorite breakfast recipe or evening time dinner tiffin type. So let's see how we do it, and let's begin this recipe. And this is taught by my mother, who is not alive now, but this is so tasty, so amazing. And if you eat one, you feel like eating another 3 4 number. So let's see how we do this. So after putting the butter paper, you cut it, then from one side you just tear the butter paper and roll it, and it will, this part you can eat it. So this way you will be able to take to office and whatsoever. Let's see how we make this egg roll with cucumber and all those things. I've taken 1 cup of refined flour. I've taken salt to taste. 1 cup refined flour, it is coming around 100 gram of flour. I'll be making 3 chapati out of it, and put 15 ml of oil for the moyam. Then add water slow by slow and make a dough, soft dough. Keep mixing with the finger. Then after making it, keep it for 10 minutes under a bowl so that it doesn't dry up. After 10 minutes, divide the ball into 3 equal bowl and roll the ball into chapati. So let's divide the ball into 3. Then we'll roll this ball to a very thin chapati, raw chapati now. Just roll it so thinly, so thin. You can see how thin. So this one will be making it on a fry pan. When the fry pan is hot, put it and brown it both the side until well brown, golden color. When it turns brown, then we'll add the oil. Before that, we'll not add oil. So one side is cooked, another side is getting cooked on the fry pan. Now we'll turn it. See the color? It has turned little brown, and see it is puffing up. Another side will again do it. As you can see, it will puff up more. Another flip. This time we have to increase the fire to a full flame. After doing the first 2 turnover, you have to increase the fire and do it on a full fire. Put another chapati in the same way. We'll cook this chapati also both the side. Once this is done like this, in this point of time, we'll increase the fire to a full flame. Then we'll brown it evenly both the side. And now I'll beat egg with salt, pepper and chili powder. and beat it nicely. My two chapatis are done. Now I'll put little oil, then put the chapati. Once this coloring evenly is done with the oil, basically I am cooking this with the oil because to make it little crispier, little firmer, little golden with the oil. Then at this point of time, when this is 100% hot, just remove and put little oil. See, when where the oil is there, in the same place you have to drop the beaten egg, not other place. So in this point of time, stick the chapati and press it little nicely. When this is done, cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. So when it sticks to one surface, then we will cook the other way also, so that from the chapati side the temperature goes into the egg mixture and it cooks from the other side also. So this is the trick of Jayasree Kadai Katha. See, the heat will go from the chapati side to the egg and it will cook from the other side also. Okay, once done, we'll remove it in a plate. Then again put little oil, beat egg and put the mixture. See, I am just roasting the another chapati with the oil, frying it. When it is full hot, during that time, in the meantime, I will beat another egg and keep it ready with the salt, chili powder, pepper powder, and put that mixture in the same pan. Now I'll put little oil and that mixture what I put for the last previously you've seen the egg mixture, same like that I beat another egg and do the egg mixture, and here also I'll stick the chapati here because chapati is also very hot. I'll again stick this chapati in this egg mixture, cook it for 1 minute. Turn it, and the temperature from the other side with the chapati side it will reach the egg and it will fully cook it. So we have to do 2 to 3 times so that it is not raw. And now I'll do the stuffing. You can do what how Jayasree is showing you in a bowl, or else you can directly put on the rolling chakla, putting the first the uh, what we say the butter paper, then the chapati with the egg, then all the stuffing in the center, and put little lemon juice, little salt, and then tomato ketchup. Then we'll roll the chapati. So in that way also we can do, and the procedure what she is showing, you can do either way. So after making this salad with cucumber, onion, coriander, and little of green chili, lemon juice, and then I put the butter paper, the chapati, then the mixture in the center, Either way, this way or that way. Here, what is happening is you have added the salt in the that salad mixture, so it will start oozing out the water. It will become very very watery after some time. So why I'm telling you is to, if you put in this kind of situation little salt, then put all the stuff, the water will not come out so more. Like when you are adding as a salad, the water will keep pouring in from inside. So if you do the way I told you to pour stuff the chapati, then put little salt, so salt will not be available every loop and corner, so water will not come out more. So that you have to control. So this way I have folded, and I will cutting the chapati roll into 1 by 2, then show you how it has to be eaten or taken to the office if you want to. So you just take little piece and tear it and go on rolling like this, so it will, from one side it will be available too for a bite. See the bite, it's so tasty, amazing. So if you like my video, like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon, and the recipe is given. You can very well understand and duplicate this recipe and make with your family, friends, and share with your neighbor, and they will also like it. Thank you for watching Jayasree Kadai Katha. We'll be seeing you with another recipe. Bye bye for now.